It smells funny.
Smells like Sizzler's cheese bread.
It totally fucking does.
If the burger Illuminati exists, secret menu burgers are their objects of worship. Because when you hold those keys, a whole world of burgers open their doors. Today, me and my old friend Seth Rogen, yes dudes, Seth Pineapple Express Rogen, are meeting up in Hollywood to taste some underground legends in the fast food game and crown a winner.
So my man, dude.
What's up?
A lot of people don't know this, but like 7 years ago, we met. I was this bright-eyed, bushy-tailed food truck operator on Fairfax. One night, I'm just getting like out of this world stoned. And like,
It's a special occasion.
yeah, 6 hours later, you walk up to the truck and you're like, I'll have bacon, egg, and cheese. And I'm like, you're fucking Seth Rogen, dude. I just smoked a blunt to you last night. Thank you very much. You know, your money's no good here.
Yeah, you didn't charge me.
Ever.
I tipped. I tried to compensate with tipping from time to time.
This is a funny story, and I don't know if you've ever heard this. On our third year of our food truck, we were on our way to an event, and the event would have like taken care of us for like the whole month. All we had was money in the register for that event. We have our business license, our health license, any legal stuff, health department, fire department stuff, and then an envelope that said Seth Rogen Emergency Fund. And it was every single tip that you ever put. Because I told you I would never take your money. No. I told you I'd never take your money, and I was like, I'd never spend a dime that this guy ever
crazy.
Gave. So we shredded our back tire on our food truck, and I needed $350 to get it fixed. And there was $380 in that envelope.
Really? That's crazy, man.
And because of you, like our last leg on the truck, we were able to keep pushing on because of that. Can you believe that?
I can't. That's absolutely
That's
incredible.
why, like,
I'm so glad.
The stars are aligned. You're on the burger show.
I couldn't be happier to be here. You were parked outside a coffee place I would go to all the time, right off of Fairfax. I remember. I love bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches. Also, are like my favorite shit in the entire world.
We would guess it too.
When you guys pulled up, I was just like, "Oh my god, what the fuck is happening?" The
we would know because like you would come early enough to where you could park on the street.
Yes.
And we would see your black SUV show
Yeah,
up,
exactly.
And we were like, all right, throw on some bacon.
That's
like,
amazing.
You're a celebrity, so
I am.
I'm sure there's a ton of off-menu stuff, like, you know, compliments of the chef. Like, what do you feel about off-menu secret item?
It makes me uncomfortable because often what happens is I'll be at a restaurant and then there'll be other people who are not famous, normal people I call them, normies, no, but they'll be non-famous people
Those guys.
beside us, you know, and then they'll see us, them coming up to us, oh here, this is off the menu. And more than dozens of times I see the people be like, what's that? And then I awkwardly see them explain like, oh, sorry, like, he's better than you are. You don't get these treats. These are only for him, and it makes me feel like a dickhead.
It's a flex. It's a flex move. It's purely flex,
thing,
right?
Yeah.
But when it comes to like burgers, like In-N-Out, obviously, Shake Shack has one, and then you know Five Guys has one.
Why do they do that? I don't know why they do it.
Is there a burger Illuminati? Like,
if there is, I want in.
Let's try these off-menu items.
The soignés.
Yeah, and let's see which one you like best.
Let's try some frilly bullshit.
We have the double from In-N-Out, animal style.
I've gotten in full-on arguments with people over like what the fuck animal style is exactly.
Well, in its purest form, it's patties riddled with mustard, chopped onions, pickles loaded with spread.
Yeah.
Usually it comes with lettuce and tomato. I said no.
Fuck that.
It's not tomato season.
No, man.
This one, I had them kick it up, and it's whole grilled onions, which takes another fucking 5 minutes in your wait time.
There you go.
And then chopped chilies. That's like my...
I didn't even know they had that shit.
Oh, dude, chopped chilies is the way to go.
They got like a bin full of chilies only if motherfuckers ask for it?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Chopped chilies. The chilies.
Shut it off, man.
If you don't order double animal style with chopped chilies, you haven't had an animal style double. You just haven't had it.
Once I got food poisoning from In-N-Out Burger.
Whoa.
Like hands down, fucking straight up food poisoning. And how much I like In-N-Out Burger, I was back at it within a week.
That goes for me in every taco place that I go to.
And there's other shit I've gotten food poisoning from that I haven't touched in like a fucking decade. In-N-Out Burger fucked me up way worse, and still within a few days I was like, eh. Why is In-N-Out Burger so fucking tasty?
The thin patties, right?
Love thin patties.
Like thin patties.
Thick patties are for dickheads. You're overcompensating.
Yeah, you're paying, you got a little too much money. Yeah. You should be eating a steak. They like to flip their top bun, and then it toasts right here.
Yeah, they don't do that.
In-N-Out doesn't do that.
Soft top bun.
So it's like soft, crunchy, meaty, crunchy, soft.
Yeah.
It's just a perfectly articulated burger.
This fucking pepper thing is a revelation, and I feel like I've been living a fool's life in the dark for the last fucking 20 years.
We just had the Tupac burger,
yes.
In-N-Out, West Coast. Now we're going to the biggie, New York, Shake Shack.
There is rivalry between Shake Shack and
right? Like
burger,
it's like
for sure.
It's like deep.
I've gotten in screaming arguments with people.
Oh yeah, like I did this thing where last season I mixed an In-N-Out burger with a Shake Shack burger and made one burger.
That's beautiful.
And people were like, dude, you can't fucking do that.
Oh, I think that would be so nice.
So in parallel, they also have a secret burger menu item, and it's a bacon burger. They have like a gourmet blend. Pat LaFrida does it. Then they have the Martin's potato roll, which is like God's gift to burger world, with a side of peanut butter sauce. It's inspired by the Goober burger in Missouri.
Of course, as one is.
Yeah, let's throw some of this peanut butter on there.
This sounds like a dish that like in a 1980s movie a pregnant woman would order.
Yeah, or if, I'm taking a fucking real serious bong hit. Shake Shack Secret Burger. Oh, it's messy.
It's weird.
It's weird.
It mostly tastes like peanut butter. Peanut butter's overpowering.
Yeah. I don't think I'd order it.
It tastes exactly like how you think it would taste.
You know Elvis Presley, like...
Yeah, he ate this shit,
right?
Yeah,
he ate shit like this, and that's why he died.
That's why you shit your insides out.
Yeah. I live in New York now, and I have a dog. Their dog treats
have peanut butter.
Have peanut butter.
Is this peanut butter from their dog
treats? I don't
treats?
know. I want to find out.
Keep your secrets to yourself, Shake Shack.
That could just stay as a secret. Last...
Certainly not least.
Not least. Is the Five Guys secret menu item, and it has...
This is fucking crazy.
It's a grilled cheese top bun, grilled cheese bottom bun, 2 patties and cheese. I've made something similar to this as a stunt burger.
Yeah, it's a stunt. This is a joke.
Yeah, this is a stunt burger.
You don't give this to someone you like. I'm pretty fucked up.
I'm not hating.
It doesn't taste excessive.
It's a little dry.
It smells funny. Right?
It smells like Sizzler's cheese bread.
It totally fucking does.
It smells like...
It does. It has a cheese bread.
Yeah.
It's weird.
But I would eat the shit out of this.
Yeah. There's a time and a place.
2 in the morning and you don't want to eat.
No.
But like you just got high.
Yeah.
You're debating whether or not
you eat the worst fathomable thing you could. That's what I would think. I'm just like, I can either just keep snacking or just put an atomic bomb in my fucking head.
And just fall asleep after.
I can just nuke myself. I feel like the peanut butter is like, it's almost like a fuck you gimmick.
Yeah,
it's like, you want something off the menu? Put some peanut butter on your burger, you fucking dick.
Yeah.
This is like, it's gimmicky, but it feels like it's serving a purpose in some way. And if you don't have a lot of money, you can buy one and then parse it out.
Yeah, here you go.
You can make several meals out of this.
You don't want beef? Here's your grilled cheese.
Here's your grilled cheese sandwich.
Wow. At first glance, it looks like they got 2 slices of like white bread. But really what it is it's a burger bun that's inverted.
Oh, weird.
Yeah. So you know that this was created by a line cook.
Who was baked out of his fucking mind.
Baked out of his fucking mind.
God bless these people. This is an expression of someone's creativity,
right.
which I like about it.
Yeah.
Unlike the little thing of dog peanut butter that they're trying to fucking shill off on us.
Yeah, that was a little fucking...
It's a fuck you.
Yeah.
You want something off the menu? Have some dog peanut butter,
that's
you
so
fucking
New
asshole.
York.
Yeah.
That's so New York. Dude, Shake Shack, your true colors are showing. Because...
I can't say how much I like Shake Shack enough, though.
No disrespect. No disrespect, but Shake Shack, your true colors are showing.
Fucking bullshit dog
if you
peanut
didn't want to
butter
have a secret menu, you should have just not have
don't do it, yeah.
Just don't have one. So we've had all three.
We have.
In-N-Out, double, peanut butter, Shake Shack, double grilled cheeseburger from Five Guys.
Each with their merits. I would eliminate the Shake Shack.
The Shake Shack is automatically out of the picture.
Get out of here with that
it's not.
I don't want that.
We actually had two pretty good burgers.
Yeah.
Pound for pound, I believe they're in different leagues.
I agree.
You know what I mean?
Because I feel also like the Five Guys one, although great, it's kind of like a gimmick.
Five Guys has always been like a sleeper for me.
Yeah.
Like they're never a part of the conversation.
They aren't.
Like it's always In-N-Out, it's always Shake Shack. But I always say like Five Guys never get shine.
They're trying.
But the In-N-Out double
is just fucking good.
It's so good.
And the peppers are good.
There's the complexity, right?
Yeah,
There's
it
levels
ticks all the
of
boxes.
flavor.
Yeah. The other two, their biggest problem is they all kind of tasted the same.
Zero texture.
Yeah.
Like
even the Shake Shack one, and that's like they're usually good at that. It just tasted like a meaty peanut butter roll.
Right.
Yeah.
I swear to God, this is not fixed.
No, it's not.
Like
I've fought in the favor of Shake Shack over In-N-Out.
Right, you said it earlier. Yeah. So
yeah. And if you ask me like on the average moment, where would you rather get a burger? I would go to Shake Shack.
Right.
But this pepper thing blows the fucking door open
see,
on that shit.
In-N-Out for me, it's like the master's degree of secret menu items because it's like
the
thought
only
out.
one where they're actually doing everything a little differently.
Yeah,
it feels like.
everything's different.
The mustard cooked meat.
Yeah,
what?
It's fucking fantastic.
Come on, man.
So there you go. Internet, I know you're gonna fucking hate us, but In-N-Out wins again.
Yeah. And if you hate us, go fuck yourselves, Internet.
You said it.
Call your spot pumping if you got crushed ice in a styrofoam cup with the refill right. So homie, word of your mouth until the next Philippe show. I'm out on the streets looking for something to eat. Like,
what's up, guys? Alvin for the Burger Show. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. If not for me, for the burgers, please, and thank you.